The tail that wags.
When I tell people what I do, I always get that, oh, you're so lucky. You get to play with dogs all day. You got the best job in the world. It must be so easy. Well, I am lucky. I do have the best job in the world, and I do have a lot of fun with my dogs, but it's not always so easy. This video is about a few of the mishaps and hiccups I've had watching dogs.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and Nella has something to say. Nella, it's time to go night-night, honey. Everybody's trying to go to bed. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Is she going to bed? Oh, God. Nope. So sorry. Poor Nella and poor Auntie. Oh, Lord. This is what Nella wants. She wants to be petted. Alright, I'll get the light out your face, Nella. Everybody is going crazy right now. It's the middle of the night. Nobody wants to go to bed. This happens sometimes. Miss Ann, I need you to hurry up and go potty. Is that Nella? Okay, the whole entire crew is outside now. When dogs eat as planned, it's nice and even cute. But sometimes there are a few hiccups. Quinn chewed off the heel of my favorite Steve Madden sandals, so I gave Milo the other one. I should have kept him in the closet anyway. Right here, Lola demanded to get my barbecue. Milo, get down. You can't eat that. I want to make sure I Look at Rusty. I was trying to eat my yogurt and he snuck in there and got it. Oh, Rusty, what are we going to do with you? Oh, Quinn! You like your sister. You need to get sued. Taking my ice cream. Dang gummit, y'all. Gee. Milo, there is no pizza.
And then there's the different types of messy.
Here, Lola is getting her little face dirty in the snow. And Scoop has his paws in the water taking a sip, enjoying himself. Then you have dogs like Miss Charney. She sees the mud, she has to become the mud, and then you have to get her in your car. That's Toby right now. Look at that. Toby, come on now. Toby, come on and be a good boy for Auntie, please. Toby, come about that water. That mud is not even water. Where are you going? Come on, Toby. I'm going bye-bye. You want a treat? Oh, man, he don't care about no treat. He don't care about nothing. He just wants to go in that mud. I think Toby has lost his mind. He's barking at the water and he just won't get out. Come on, Toby. Come on. Toby! Toby, you've been here for a long time, please. So I finally got him out. I went in the mud and got him out. Rufus tried to get him out. I just had to get in the mud. I almost fell twice. He was shivering and shaking, so I took him to the doggy wash and washed him. And now he's sitting on the couch with a nice blanket on him. He's had a treat. And have dinner in an hour or so. And that's where he's at right now. I could have killed him though. I could have killed him. But he's a good boy and I love him. Say hi to Mom.
Every dog has an opinion about birds. Some dogs don't like birds. Some dogs like birds. Some dogs love birds, and some dogs really like birds.
Here's the chicken. Are you trying to give her kisses? Oh.
You like them, Pepper? Yeah. Oh, you guys are really cute. You guys are so sweet. Yes, I know, Lola. Those are your babies. We know they're your babies. And Pepper's being a really sweet boy. But Shadow hasn't seen him. You want to say hi, Shadow? Yeah. I don't think Shadow's too interested in him. I prefer that they stay away. This is Sadie. This is crack. This is Sadie on crack. That's Sadie on crack. Okay, come down, honey. Now, you know we don't want to tease her now.
Yeah, calm down, Sadie.
It's all right, honey. I know, it's very upsetting. But that's Sadie. Then you have different personalities and hang-ups. It's very subtle, but he's trying to show ownership. By him going across me this way, he's trying to show the other dogs that he owns me. The smaller dog, Cruz, is a rescue and he has severe fear aggression, especially towards large dogs. The Jack Russell, Stitch, had the same issues. They understood each other and became friends instantly. It's so sweet. The trouble with rescues is we don't know what they've been through. So it is up to us to be patient and help them through their issues. The worst thing in the world is a dog fight. There's nothing that I hate more. And the best way to handle a dog fight is not to have one at all. Dogs usually give you a warning before they do any of attacking. And the thing that they do is they stare intently at each other. They have a low growl and they flash their teeth. When they're staring at each other, that's when you step in between them so you can break up the concentration. Now, there's some things that you just can't prevent. Dogs get in arguments just like people do. The thing you have to do is keep your eyes and your ears open so you know how to handle it. You two stop it. Cruz, come over here. Cruz, come here. Over here, Cruz. Come on. Come on. Just sit up here for a second with me, okay? Okay, honey. All right, now you just... No. We're all going to calm down. We're all calming down. Thank you. Milo, stop. Stop. This guy is Bender. He's a smart, energetic pup with a great attitude. And this fella is Rufus. He's a wise, loving, and loyal dog. Something set them off, and when I turned my back, they started fighting. I pulled them apart, and Bender tried to get in one last bite and got me instead. They knew what they did, and they stayed away from each other for the rest of the day and didn't fight again. I've had a lot of different jobs in my life. So why dogs? Yeah, there's always a few mishaps, but dogs are the best. They don't ask for much, but they give you their all. They'll love you more than any other being on this planet. Besides, you saw those faces. Who can say no to that?